Today we're here at Southgate Community Center. It's our celebration of our 7th year in service here in Reston, Virginia. The purpose of today's event is to celebrate the service that we've done here in the community. We service our youth from 1st to 6th grade. We have an after-school program, teen centers program, we have senior program, we have computer classes, free computer classes for adults, and we have free yoga. I mean, there's so many events here that happen here at Southgate, and it's really just a celebration of bringing communities together, businesses together, nonprofits together to enjoy a beautiful day and the service that we've done for Reston. Every year it's grown. We used to have a community day just in the gym, but now the community center has grown so large, our community is so diverse now, and the population, our programs have increased. We've had to, after you see, we had to close down the street here in Reston, Virginia. Today we had a basketball tournament for 7th to 12th graders, and we've had moon bounces for the kids in the neighborhood. The entertainment, the food, the agencies that are here are all local from the community. So this is what Southgate Community Day is about, bringing local businesses, agencies, and the children from the neighborhood together to celebrate Southgate and the service we've done to Reston.